Redesigning jeans is just the starting point on the journey to a circular economy for fashion. By getting started with this iconic garment, brands have redesigned up to 100% of their jeans portfolio to be fit for a circular economy, and are starting to apply these principles to other garments like jackets, chinos, and bags. Jeans are an iconic product. Almost everyone owns at least one pair. But much like the rest of the fashion industry, the way we make them today creates waste and pollution whilst contributing to the climate crisis and biodiversity loss. So, how might a pair of jeans be designed and made for a circular economy? Watch this video to find out more about how to apply the principles of a circular economy for fashion to jeans, where products are used more, they're made to be made again, and they're made from safe and recycled or renewable inputs. So first, jeans are used more. This means both designing jeans to last longer and offering jeans to customers via new business models like rental that help increase their use and help businesses generate revenue without making more clothes. So what does that look like? Durability. Jeans are designed and manufactured to last as long as possible. Redesigned jeans must meet the same durability requirements as linear jeans, things like tear strength and colour fastness, even after being washed 30 times. Fabric mills like Black Peony and brands like Good American and Triarchy are already going beyond that and testing for 35 home laundries. Care labelling. Brands and garment manufacturers are empowering customers with information on the jeans about how to care for them, including reducing washing frequency, washing at low temperatures, and avoiding tumble drying. Brands are increasingly implementing services like collection or take-back, as well as circular business models like resale and repair to keep jeans in use at their highest value and increase the amount they are used in their overall lifetime. Secondly, jeans are made to be made again. Today, the way our clothes are designed and made rarely considers what will happen to them after we finish using them. Jeans and their materials and the components must be designed and manufactured to be disassembled, so then they can be reused, remade, or recycled after maximum use. To ensure materials can be recycled at their highest quality and value, garments made out of a single material should be prioritised and aligned with available recycling technology. Here, the key design unlocks include designing and manufacturing jeans from the material composition to the hardware components added, like zips, buttons, or rivets, so that they can be disassembled, reused, remade, or recycled. Let's take metal rivets as an example. They're difficult for recyclers to remove, and as a consequence, large parts of the upper fabric of jeans are cut off and typically landfilled or incinerated. Many brands are removing metal rivets to eliminate this waste by design, and are innovating to substitute rivets with bar tacks, which is what the jeans I'm wearing have, and other design solutions, which include reinforced stitching or embroidery techniques. H&M has developed a standardized library of circular bar tacks to utilize across jean styles. Brands and manufacturers can ensure it's easy to identify redesigned jeans for recycling during the stages of collection and sorting by providing accurate information on jean labels or QR codes. And finally, jeans are made from safe and recycled or renewable inputs. This means that substances that are hazardous to health or the environment are designed out to allow for safe material circulation and ensure that no pollutants are released into the environment during production and after use. As well as that, production is fully decoupled from the consumption of finite resources. This means prioritizing the use of post-consumer recycled content from garment-to-garment recycling, and then, where virgin input is still needed, is from renewable feedstocks sourcing using regenerative farming methods that have nature-positive outcomes. Here, it is important that actors in the value chain, including mills, manufacturers, and brands, meet the minimum criteria on phasing out toxic substances and processes. Brands, manufacturers, and mills can ensure they use recycled content in their fabric and jeans. Chloe, Triarchy, and Levi's are including high percentages of post-consumer recycled content, from 87% to 40%, while still meeting other circular design requirements, such as durability. And finally, brands like Reformation use cotton fibres with nature-positive outcomes. And in the last 2 years, there's been a hub of activity by brands towards regenerative sourcing. Manufacturers and mills have also initiated future collaborations to be able to source fibres with nature-positive outcomes in the future, so denim can regenerate nature by design. The Ellen MacArthur Foundation's Jeans Redesign project was launched in 2019 and has shown that redesigning jeans is just the starting point on the journey to a circular economy for fashion. By getting started with this iconic garment, brands have redesigned up to 100% of their jeans portfolio to be fit for a circular economy and are starting to apply these principles to other garments like jackets, chinos, and bags. Circular design can become the norm. The solution pathways are clear, but without systems change, the progress that has been made to redesign products will not be fully realised.